And welcome back. And Justin, hard to believe it's already been about a month since that big record-breaking snowstorm, but it sounds like folks maybe can expect a little bit more of that coming in the near future.
You know, it has been dry for the last 4 weeks or so, and we've warmed up very slightly. Temperatures into the 40s are starting to feel normal for us, but we got a cold blast ahead and possibly more snow on the way. Let's take a look at what we saw today on our weather tower cam time lapse. Mainly sunny skies until later on into the afternoon when we started getting more cloud cover in here. Temperatures did reach 40 degrees for a high temperature today in North Platte. Near 40 at Broken Bow, Lexington, closer to 50 at Thedford, upper 30s at Ogallala and Imperial. Current temperatures look like this. We have fallen into the low to mid 20s at Imperial and Ogallala, but upper 20s at North Platte, Valentine, and lower 30s, the current temperature at Broken Bow and Lexington. Here's a look at the winds. Now, wind speeds mainly 0 to 10 miles per hour. Where the wind is blowing, it's mainly from a westerly direction, so that's a dry flow for us. Here's a look at the Doppler radar, and as you make your way into our northern and western portions of our viewing area, say from Valentine, north of Purdom, Mullen, Hyannis, and Arthur, partly to mostly cloudy skies, but just mainly clear skies across the rest of the viewing area. A couple areas of high pressure in charge of our forecast, keeping us on the dry side. So this high that is in charge of our weather, moving off to the south and to the east. We were on its cool side yesterday. Those highs only near 30. We warmed up a little more of a southerly wind in the upper atmosphere. We've got one more disturbance that will increase the clouds over the weekend, followed by another high pressure system that should keep us mainly dry for Sunday and for the day on Monday. As we make our way through the rest of the evening and overnight, a slight increase in the clouds with temperatures into the upper teens and lower 20s out there as we make our way through the day on Saturday. High temperatures getting back into the low to mid 40s, mainly a southerly or westerly wind that will keep us on the dry and mild side, falling back into the mid to upper 20s to start off Sunday. We mentioned that disturbance. It'll increase the clouds just a little. Another day we could reach the low to mid 40s for highs, maybe a very slight chance of a rain or snow shower. Most of us staying dry as this system does make its way through. Followed by another high pressure system. That is for Sunday afternoon through the day on Monday. So we will be back to partly cloudy skies. Monday actually could get more of a southerly flow to warm us up into the upper 40s, but then we are tracking this low pressure system that is going to be our next weather maker. And we're going to go into detail on this one. Notice it does have a counterclockwise flow, so as it's off to our east, we do have warm air making its way in. There's your temperatures near 50 on Monday, but as it follows a jet stream off to our south, we get more of an easterly wind, which does produce moisture, and that's when we think that we could have the possibility of some snow on Wednesday. But then as it moves off to the east, along with it goes the snow off to the east, but we got a northerly flow when that happens, and very cold air is being pumped down from the Arctic, so temperatures really on their way down, falling into the teens for highs. As for the snowfall impact, a couple of models from this one. This model does give us some moderate impacts along I-80, less off to the south, more off to the north, with portions of South Dakota and Minnesota really picking up a lot of snow from this one. And we have another model that just tracks the snow a little further off to the north, so it puts North Platte, the I-80 corridor, in the minimal impact range, but up toward Valentine, heavier effects of this next system. We're going to keep our eyes on this one. This will definitely change over the next 4 days. So enjoy the weekend, low to mid 40s, Saturday and Sunday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy. Partly cloudy Monday and for the first part of Tuesday with highs in the upper 40s. Tuesday night, a chance of some rain or snow showers. Changing to all snow. We think we're going to get snow on Wednesday. The question is, how heavy and steady is it going to be? It's windy, and that pumps down the really cool air with morning highs only near 18, and then Thursday's highs near 14. Still a little breezy with that northerly wind, partly cloudy skies, warming up to 24 and staying dry for Friday. Tristan?
All right, well, thank you, Justin. Definitely looking forward to those warmer temperatures this weekend and enjoying them while we can. Coming up, the latest on the Ohio train derailment, and it's not too early to start to take precautions for the upcoming allergy season.